Good evening everyone. I am Rimjim Chabda, Deputy General Manager taking care of real estate and housing business. Have been with SBI for the last 31 years. Bangalore is lucky to have top builders, the best builders across in the country. Some of the best names in the country belong to Bangalore, and DS Max is one of them. And we are very happy dealing with DS Max. My team has been telling me that it's like family. That's how it differentiates than other business, more than the professional relationship that they have with their customers, that is those who buy properties from them, and with their bankers. There is a touch that is of a family, the personal touch which differentiates them from other builders. And it is my immense pleasure to greet and congratulate DS Max Properties. State Bank has been associated with DS Max since the beginning of their journey, and we are so proud to be part of their growth journey. They have done some wonderful work in the 84 properties projects that they have in Bangalore, and we have been doing very happily the housing loans to their customers, to their satisfaction and to the customer's satisfaction. Our customers are also happy getting good deals from DS Properties, good projects all across the city, and for the last few years you are also proud to be associated with them in their bankers for the builder finance. We are very happy and congratulate again on behalf of SBI to team DS Max. So I only had an opportunity to meet the chairman once, and I do respect him as a very learned and professional builder, and his dealing with the banks, the customers, his team has been exemplary, and I wish him all the best. If our customers are happy, if they get good deal from the builder, and as a bank we get timely documents, timely support from the CRM and sales team of DS Max, that's what makes us happy, because it gets us more customers. So that is how, if our customers are happy, we will also be happy to be associated with DS Max for future.
So if you decide to buy an apartment, would you like to consider DS Max?
Definitely yes. There's no question about that. DS Max is in our preferred builders list, as we don't see much delay on their part in providing documents to the customers or providing good deals to the customers. Wish them good luck and many more years of success in their property business. Congratulations again and all the best.